In Photoshop, we will generate the new designs, and I will show you how you can generate your designs in Photoshop. So we will pick up that pen tool design. It will generate the designs freely without limitations. We can generate a random designs. So it's a custom design generator. We will have to take it another shape. So use the razor to lower it. Then that's the shape we are going to take here. Let's use the further shapes. Keep on editing. So there we are. Explore the options here. Thank you for watching.